All right, I got the expandable shoe rack. Here's what it looks like when you get it out of the box. It's literally all there is to it. Let's go ahead and put the other pieces on. So once you get all these on, you can see they're all attached with the knobs. Set this like this flat, and then you can go ahead and just set this right on top. This part's much easier, so you just line it up and thread them on. Look how easy that is. Probably one of the simplest shoe racks that I've ever put together. You don't need any tools to put this together. No wrenches, no Allen wrenches. Nice. Super easy. Great design. I love it. Let's put some shoes on it. I'm only going to put the shoes in here that I think we're actually going to wear. Got some work boots. We'll put those up top. Another pair of boots there. My shoes there. Okay, we're getting there. We'll go just like that, side by side. Down below, we'll go side by side. Basketball shoes. And we got this pair of Vans. We'll go ahead and just put those. So there you have it. Look at this. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We were able to fit 12 pairs of shoes, get them off the ground, nice and organized. Took me about, I don't know, 7 or 8 minutes to put this thing together by hand, no tools, super easy. And now look, I got a perfectly organized area. Nobody's got to thumb through a giant pile of shoes, right? So there you have it. This thing works great. Definitely pick this up. I think they did a great job with this one. So that is my quick review. And as always, thanks for watching.